Okay. Hi, this is Teacher Seppi again. I'm just going to finish the questions that Marquez Gatchalian have sent me last week. So these are some of the questions. Okay, so the first one is like two cars travel at the same time. Okay, take note of that. In opposite directions. One travels 50 kilometers per hour and the other travels 60 kilometers per hour. In how many hours will they be 330 kilometers apart? Now this one, the question is how many hours? How many hours? Okay, so in here, this kind of problem. This is algebraic word problem that calls for what's this? A distance formula. Now, this is a motion problem. The first thing that we're going to do is to draw a diagram. So this one, shall we say the two cars from point A, two cars, one car travels in the other, what's this? That travels 50 kilometers per hour, okay? And the other car travels 60 kilometers per hour, okay? Now, they're in opposite directions. The question there is like, how many hours will they be 330 kilometers apart? So this one is 330 kilometers. Okay? Now, to solve for this, we're going to have distance of car. Shall I say this is car 1 and car 2? So we have here distance of car 1 is equal to rate times time, or what's this? The rate of the car 1 is 60. Okay? This is 60, and the time it takes is t, okay? Is t. We just let it t for the time. Distance of car 2, that calls for rt again, and that is, the rate of car 2 is 50, and the time is t, okay? Now, the question is like, how many hours will they be 330 kilometers apart? So that means, we're going to add this distance, the distance of car 1, plus the distance of car 2, that is all equal to 330 kilometers. Did you get it? Okay? Now, what is D1 and D2? We have here the formula. So we can have, what's this? Distance 1 is equals to 60t, and plus distance 2 of our car 2, that is 50t, is equal to 330. Okay? Did you get it? Now, the distance of car 1 and car 2, when they are traveling in opposite direction, that is equal to the total distance that is being given. Now, so this one, 60t plus 50t, so that's 110t is equal to 330. Now, divided by 110 and divided by 110, cancel that. 330 divided by, what's this? 330 divided by 110, our time is 3 hours. Okay? So it will take 3 hours for these two cars to cover the distance of 330 kilometers. Okay? Did you get it? Okay, next, number 2. Number 2, we have there simplify 3x minus 9, okay, divided by x squared minus 9. So we have there 3x minus 9 divided by x squared minus 9. Now, in here, we're going to factor, so we can do the cancellation. Okay, what's the common in the numerator? We have common of 3, right? So we have 3, put it out. So we have 3x divided by 3, the remaining is x, right? And 9 divided by 3, that is minus 3. Okay? Next one. Here, this is in the form of, in special products, we have x plus y times x minus y, that is equal to x squared minus y squared. Now, in this form, we have there x squared minus 3 squared because 9 is equal to 3 squared. Okay? Now, if it's in this case, you're gonna factor it in this way. Okay? Just follow that. So we have x plus 3. Okay? Look at this. This is the same as this one. So we have these factors. X plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay? And after that, since we already have factored them, cancel x minus 3 and cancel x minus 3. So the remaining is 3 over x plus 3. This is in simplified form. Okay? There you go. Next one. Simplify 3 times x minus 4y minus 4y minus 3x minus 2x plus y. Now, just distribute each of this signs and the coefficients. So we have the 3 times x, we have 3x. 3 times negative 4y, that is negative 12y. And then negative times negative 1, this is understood 1 here and 1 here. Negative 1 times 4y, that is minus 4y. Negative 1 times negative 3x plus 3x, okay? And negative 1 times 2x, that's minus 2x. And minus negative 1 times y, that is minus y. Now, just combine like terms. Okay, so we have here 3x, 3x, and negative 2x. Now, this one, 3x plus 3x, that's 6x, minus 2x, that is 4x, okay? Next, we have negative 12y, negative 4y, and negative y. So we have there negative 12 plus negative 4 plus negative 1, that is negative 17y. This is the simplified form of this expression, okay? Next one. Find k in 10 over k is equal to 8 over 4. Now, this is a ratio and proportion problem. So we are going to solve it this way. Okay, when you encounter this kind of problem, we have 10 over k is equal to 8 over 4, right? Just cross multiply. Okay? Just cross multiply. So k times 8, we have 8k, correct? And 4 times 10, that is equal to 40. Okay, so this one, k times 8 is equal to 10 times 4, okay? So we have there 8k, oh no. We are going to divide this one because we're going to find for k, divide by 8, divided by 8. So k is 40 divided by 8, that is 5, okay? Our k is 5. There you go. Next one, the same stuff with number 5. The same problem. This is ratio and proportion. So x over 10 is equal to 10 over 3. There you go. So cross multiply again. X times 3. It doesn't matter which comes first, okay? X times 3, so we have 3x is equal to 10 times 10, that is 100, okay? Then divided by 3, divided by 3, x is equal to 33.33, okay? Approximately 33.33, okay? That's all. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube, Teacher Seppi. Thank you.